In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best robot kits in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. If you find the advanced robot kits for kids to be intimidating, or if you want to introduce programming at the elementary school level, the Sphero Mini is our go-to. It doesn't take much technical knowledge to get started and offers a nice progression in terms of skills. You can start by controlling it remotely and then build up to writing programs to direct its actions and incorporate sensor input, such as having it stop when it hits a wall or say, ouch, when it rolls off a drop. Sphero packs a surprising amount of sensors into a very portable package and gives you a ton of programming power at a fairly low price. Keeping your kid interested and engaged with the Sphero Mini may take some creativity on your part. There's not a lot included with the package, only some miniature bowling pins and traffic cones, and there isn't a clear progression of skills laid out. This gives you ample opportunity to challenge your kids to think creatively, such as creating both a maze out of cardboard and writing a program that lets the Sphero Mini solve it, or perhaps using the canvas feature to literally paint a picture with your robot. There are plenty of activities like these available online, from both Sphero and other sources, but be aware that you will have to facilitate challenges like these to keep interest levels up. The Sphero Mini can take some fairly rough and tumble play, but it probably won't survive a huge drop or getting stepped on. Two very reasonable concerns given its size. However, if you are shopping on a budget, this is a fantastic robot kit for kids to get them excited about computer science and coding. Number 4. The LEGO Mindstorms F330-1313 is the ultimate buildable robot kit. The kit contains 601 pieces, and it can make 5 different styles of robots. Spic 3R, the robot leader, an all-terrain vehicle, a gripper bot, a robotic snake, and a scorpion bot. Included in the over 600 pieces are 3 interactive servo motors, as well as sensors for infrared light, colors, and touch to make the robots even more responsive to input. The EV3 kit is compatible with all LEGO build sets, so your kids can make truly unique builds, obstacle courses, or target ranges. The bots are controlled by a dedicated app that works with both iOS and Android mobile devices. The robots can be programmed to walk, talk, and even think. There are more advanced features on the EV3 software for Windows and Mac computers, so kids can learn more complex coding lessons and parents can keep older kids and teens interested. Kids, parents, and teachers can visit the Mindstorms website to download building guides for additional robots, programming, and coding tutorials, and access to the thriving online community to share ideas and robot creations. Number 3. Wonder Workshop-Robot is the perfect toy for teaching your little ones the basics of coding and robotics. Unlike the robotics kits that involve building a robot, Dash comes already built. Kids can control the bot with voice commands, but more importantly, Dash is compatible with 5 different apps that slowly introduce kids to programming fundamentals until they have a basic understanding of how coding works. Loaded with programmable LEDs and buttons, IR receivers and transmitters, potentiometers and dual motors, 3 proximity sensors, 3 microphones and speakers, 3 processors and sensor fusion, real-time Bluetooth, and 2 powered wheels, Dash can perform a number of tasks. Kids can expand Dash's abilities with a sketch kit for making art, a bulldozer blade, a projectile launcher, costumes, a xylophone, and even an adapter to connect LEGO building bricks for truly custom robot builds. The Dash robot has been used in over 20,000 schools across the US to help make computer and robotics science fun for kids. Wonder Workshop also offers children the chance to take part in the Wonder League, where they can share ideas and participate in Wonder Workshop robotics competitions. Number 2. If your kids were as charmed by BB-8 in the new Star Wars trilogy as virtually everyone else on the planet, This toy is the perfect gift. It's hugely interactive and boasts an adaptive personality that changes as you play with it. BB-8 works with Sphero's Droid app so you can program and control it, enabling things like patrol mode where we'll intelligently cruise around a space. For a droid, it's extremely expressive as well, and accepts voice commands if you don't have your smartphone handy. It's the perfect engine for your kid's imagination. It doubles as a perfect way to amuse your nerdy friends over cocktails. And because it's officially licensed by Disney, there's an exacting level of authenticity and attention to detail. This droid looks like it rolled straight off the big screen. Number 1. If you are looking to get your kids started with robotics, the LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox is an exceptional kit. This kit spans a range of project levels, starting slow and simple and gradually building up in complexity. The Boost Creative Toolbox has a block-based graphical coding interface that is intuitive and easy to use, and the kit comes with clear and detailed assembly instructions for each of the 5 main models. Previous electronics knowledge is not necessary to use this kit. All of these features mean that this kit is very approachable, even for complete beginners, allowing your child to grow in confidence as a young roboticist advancing through more levels. This kit does an excellent job balancing and blending structured play with space for creative expression. There are even plenty of opportunities to expand with additional LEGO products once you've exhausted the 60+ activities included in this set. Some of the included activities include building a robot sheriff with a shoulder-mounted rocket launcher and creating an automated factory that makes miniature LEGO creations. Troubleshooting is easy with this kit. Overall, we recommend the LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox above pretty much any other option on the market today for kids getting started with robotics. While we love this kit for beginners, the design and structured activities of the Boost Creative Toolbox are geared towards younger kids and thus may be less appealing to older middle schoolers. Over time you may find your child outgrowing the hardware on the Boost, as there are fewer options for expanding with additional actuators or motors than non-LEGO based kits. Still, this remains one of our favorite robot kits for kids, as it provides tons of fun and an exceptional introduction to mechanical and software design without being overly complex. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.